Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today I'm out in the driveway putting another set of glow plugs in the flatbed. Yeah, I did a video on this not that long ago, and the truck started hard starting again pretty well a couple weeks after I put those plugs in, and I thought I was chasing a fuel problem this whole time. Decided to check the harness, glow plug harness out. Everything checked out fine. But then I decided, what the heck, I'll ohm out some of these plugs. And a lot of them were ohming 0 to ground. So that got me thinking. Looks like I got had with counterfeit parts. So I didn't even know this was a thing. I mean, I knew they were counterfeiting, more expensive items, but not glow plugs, I wouldn't think. As you can see, if you can read it, Beru, Germany, got the part number stamped on there. You might notice a small problem with this one. Tips melted off of it. Same on this one here, tips melted off. I've only gotten 4 of them out so far. They came out pretty easy, thankfully. And I always run Motorcraft ZD9 plugs in these engines. They are that's my go-to, and that's pretty well everyone's go-to that knows anything about these engines, because the tips on the cheaper aftermarket plugs are known for swelling. When they swell up, they will snap off in the cylinder head when you go to take them out. And thankfully, these didn't have much time to swell. You might be able to see the very tip of it had swelled out a bit, but it went on and melted completely off. So the truck runs fine, so hopefully it went out the exhaust, didn't cause any damage. But let's take a look at the differences between a legit Motorcraft part, which even the packaging, down to the packaging, looks identical. Except one thing that all of these Motorcraft bags should have is a little air hole stamped in them. Yeah, right here. There's a little round punch right there. That has been on all of my legit Motorcraft parts. I don't recall if they were on this one or not. Now, the plugs themselves, after looking these over and comparing them, the text on these is different than the ones down here. And the dead giveaway, though, is the crimp at the top of the plug. See how there's one little dot stamped into that crimp where this here, the tip, meets the body? That's going to be your giveaway. Because on legit Motorcraft plugs, they look like they were crimped like a hydraulic hose. They've got 6 panels, and the crimp goes all the way around the top. So, yeah, I got counterfeit parts. Doesn't matter where you buy them, guys. Take your time to check them over. Yeah, be sure you're getting what you pay for, because these counterfeits they're getting good. The quality's, the appearance and everything looks pretty close, but it's not just quite right. Yeah, I'm not going to bore you too much as far as replacing these again, because you've already seen it. So I'll knock this out real quick. Hopefully we'll be back up easy starting again with no problems. But yeah, just wanted to point that out and give you guys something to think about. I know, like on eBay, they sell these. I'm pretty sure that's where this set came from. I don't recall, but I think I gave like 50 or 60 bucks for all of them. Because hey, that's a few dollars cheaper. Yeah, that could have cost me an engine. So don't do that. Make sure you're getting what you pay for. Make sure you're getting the correct parts, not counterfeit crap. So yeah. With all that said, that's all I got for you today. I've got some work to do, and I got to tear the Jeep apart and put front hubs in it, which that'll be a separate video in itself. But I need to get a few of my projects up and going because I'm running out of things to drive. Everything's breaking around here. So yeah, if you want to support the channel, we got a PayPal account set up. It's in the description of every video. If you would hit that like button, it really helps us out. If you got any comments, questions, complaints, anything like that, just drop them in the comment section below. I try to answer those as quickly as I can. Yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching. Managed to get all 8 of the counterfeits out without snapping tips off, but as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tips completely melted. 2 more on their way. This could have been bad.